touch together.
Let's stand up and touch the sky. Touch the sky, touch the sky. Let's stand up and touch the sky and dance together.
Let's bend down and touch our toes. Touch our toes, touch our toes. Let's bend down and touch our toes and dance together.
Let's all do some jumping jacks. Jumping jacks, jumping jacks. Let's all do some jumping jacks and dance.
Hello champion, how are you today? It's nice to have you again. Our topic for today is things we can do to stay healthy. Did you hear that? Things we can do to stay healthy. Do you know there are things we can do for you to stay strong and healthy? Sit down quietly as we learn them one after the other. The first thing we are going to learn today is exercise. Did you hear that? Exercise. Exercise is the movement of the body. Now look at this. Running. Running is an exercise. Yes. Running is exercise. Another one is jumping. Jumping. Jumping is exercise. Skipping. Skipping. Skipping is an exercise. And another one is clapping. Wow. Clapping is exercise. And another one is dancing. Dancing. Dancing is also movement of the body, so is exercise. Remember, we are talking about things we can do to stay healthy. Exercise can make us healthy. Now, let's talk about another thing we can do to stay healthy. That is rest. Rest. Yes. When you play, you rest. When you walk, you rest so that you can gain your strength back. And how do you rest? You can sit down quietly on a chair and rest. And you can also lie down on your bed and rest. So, rest is another thing you can do to keep yourself strong and healthy. Look at this. Another one is eating good food. Yes. You can keep yourself healthy when you eat good food. So we are going to talk about some good food that we can eat to stay healthy. In the morning, you can take pap and bean cake, also known as akara. And you can also eat bread, tea, and fried egg. Yes, you can take this for your breakfast. Pap and bean cake or akara, bread and tea, and fried egg. And another food you can eat is pounded yam and egusi soup for your lunch, eba and ogbono soup also for your lunch. So you can eat your eba or your pounded yam for lunch in the afternoon. Then for your dinner, you can take yam and egg sauce or rice and stew. Yam and egg sauce and rice and the stew. These are good food you can eat to stay healthy. And another thing you can do to stay healthy is drinking a lot of water. Yes, When you drink water, it keeps you strong and healthy. So learn to drink a lot of water. And another one is bathing. Yes, you must bathe at least twice in a day. Yes, you must take your bath at least twice in a day. And what do you use to bathe? You use soap, sponge, and water. Soap, sponge, and water. And another thing you can do to stay healthy is washing your clothes. Yes, your clothes must not be dirty. For you to stay healthy, you must wear clean clothes. So what do? You wash your clothes with soap and water. You wash your clothes with what? Good. You wash your clothes with soap and water. Alright. Remember, we have been talking about how to stay healthy. Yes, you stay healthy by eating good food, doing exercise, washing your clothes, bathing all the time, and so on. Alright, this brings us to the end of today's class. Until we meet again in our next class, goodbye.